there, Ryan. It's Marcy here. I spoke with you end of last year in regards to shooting this custom video about your business, and here I am with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring even more customers into your business. Now you're probably asking yourself, why would I make videos and send them off to people? But the reason is that when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and saying, I don't have time for that, so will you do it for me? So if by the end of this you like anything that you've heard, if you can see that I've got a few tricks up my sleeve that would help your business, then we can chat. Or if you'd like to just simply take the 3 tips that I'm going to give you and do it yourself, that works for me as well. So the 3 things that I'm going to talk about are citations, content, and backlinks. So let's kind of start with the content. When I say content, what I'm referring to is the words, the information, the images that you have on the homepage of your site. Google loves content. So Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words on the homepage of a website. So you can see you have an opportunity here for sure to add some content there. You want to make sure that it's keyword rich, that it has all of the keywords, key phrases that people would likely be typing into the browser in your content. Make sure it's well written, that it's authoritative, that it's definitely not plagiarized, but it goes a long way with helping, because Google likes it so much. If they're crawling the web, they come across a site that's got a couple hundred words and then the one next to it has 1,000 to 1,500. They definitely will see the one with 1,000, 1,500 words as being the expert in the market, and therefore that's why they place them higher in the search results. So you can add some content. The next thing that I'm going to go to that you can do are citations. What a citation is, first of all, it is a place on the internet where you would find your exact business name, address, and phone number listed. So Yelp listing, 411, Yellow Pages, Foursquare, there's thousands of business listings throughout the web to put your business. So the more places that Google goes out and crawls and sees your business, the more places that you are listed that they see, then it shows them that confirms that you are a legit business, first of all. And the next thing where it's going to help you out is it's really going to help push you up in these results here in the map listing. This up here is what we call the map pack to the Google My Business listing, and these businesses definitely gain a lot of clicks to their site from being in one of those positions. So it's by having more citations, having your business listed more places throughout the web, that's going to help to get you up into being one of these 3. So then that leaves the 3rd place on the first page of the search that your business can appear. That's here. Let's see, are you? No. So what helps to get you up into this position are the backlinks. The third one. Now what a backlink is, first of all, it is a link from a third-party site on the internet linking back to your website. And how this helps you, how to explain it in simplest terms, is if you think of the internet as being a big popularity contest. When other sites vote for yours, aka link to yours, Google is therefore going to see this, see that you're the popular one, you're getting all this attention from other sites on the internet, so they're going to place you higher up in the search results. So just to see where yours is at, I put your business in this tool called Ahrefs, so it shows us what's going on back here. And it shows that you have 89 other websites on the internet that are linking back to yours, giving you just about 700 backlinks. You've got some nice solid metrics here to work with. You're being found for 266 organic keywords, and you're getting roughly 130, 130 traffic, new visitors to your site each month. So yeah, you definitely have a solid foundation to work with. Build this up a little bit, add some content, particularly that first page, because we really just have up here just this little portion here. So as I said, that's just Google for you. That's what they like. And that's what we do, is give them what they like, and then the results are that they make us more visible online. So I'm going to leave it at that, Ryan. I'm going to send this off to you, and I will follow up to make sure that it didn't just land in your junk folder and you didn't have a chance to see it. Hope you're having a good day.